Greetings from the next journey. The need for unfettered mobility clashes with sustainability and aesthetics in the middle of contemporary life's chaos. The 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is a groundbreaking concept that reimagines adventure. With Honda's creative electric van design, this prototype vehicle offers zero emissions without compromising utility. The motorhome's remarkable combined power output is powered by a next-generation solid-state battery pack and Honda's cutting-edge EN architecture electric motor, which can travel up to 500 kilometers (WLTP) between charges. The outside design incorporates futuristic aerodynamics and clean lines, two facets of Honda's man maximum, machine minimum design philosophy. The seamless integration of the solar panels onto the roof maximizes energy efficiency. The automobile has a smooth and efficient road look because to its big aerodynamic wheels, and it has a highly modern appearance thanks to its adjustable LED headlamps and Honda robotics-inspired taillights. The user interface is slick and easy to use when you first go there. The whole dashboard is covered by a curved panoramic touchscreen that displays entertainment, AI-powered navigation, and vehicle information. The two-spoke steering wheel and holographic CID create a clear, distraction-free cockpit, while haptic touch controls elegantly and quietly take the place of traditional buttons. Every square inch of the main room has been thoughtfully used to create a large, multifunctional space. The use of luxurious materials to adorn surfaces, such as recycled vegan leather, sustainable maple wood, and creative textiles, creates a cozy yet contemporary ambience. LED ambient lighting may be changed to provide a variety of moods, from calm and gentle for relaxation to bright for work. There are several living room combinations for both solo and group leisure thanks to the electrically adjustable and 360-degree swivel seats. At night, pressing a button opens a secret sleeping space. There is a cozy queen-size bed with organic linens and a memory foam mattress on the wall or floor. A built-in audio system plays calming natural sounds for a good night's sleep, and the panoramic windows with motorized shutters offer breathtaking views of the night sky. The bathroom is compact yet highly practical, providing both affordability and elegance. The water-saving shower has a motion-activated sensor, and the walls are composed of lightweight, water-resistant composite materials. Honda's dedication to sustainability is demonstrated by its eco-friendly composting toilet and fold-down sink with automated tap. The space is finished with a concealed storage container and an anti-fog LED mirror. The multi-purpose kitchen is the focal point of your culinary journey. The sophisticated quartz countertop smoothly incorporates a 2-burner induction stove. Fresh food is preserved with the aid of a pull-out freezer and an energy-efficient refrigerator. Cooking every meal is made simple and pleasurable by a dual-filtration water dispenser, a small convection oven/microwave, and clever dishware storage. More than just a car, the 2026 Honda Luxury Motorhome is a symbol of independence, creativity, and dedication to sustainability. This implies that your upcoming vacation will be eco-friendly and stylish.